Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to the DemBarnyardBuilds. So, got some news. Today we traded the Ramcharger for a 1956 Ford F100. One of my dream vehicles. One of the trucks that I've wanted to own my entire life. And because I had so little in the Ramcharger, I was like, yeah, I'll pull the trigger on this trade. It's rough. I mean, there's no line about it. You can see where the man that had it, he had it for like 25, 30 years, they said. He would throw house paint on it every so often. Protected from the elements, didn't know what color it would look good in for when he decided to restore it one day. Just is what it is. This truck, I mean, really, like the fender, it's not bad. Like, it's honestly a really good fender on this side. But, you know, we're going to get rid of those. It's honestly like about perfect besides down there at the bottom. It's going to get widened fenders. It's going to get probably kind of having trouble because I could fix stuff like this. But probably going to just get a new bed altogether. It's not a big deal. I just have to go pick it up. It does have the spare tire holder on the side, which I love, but for the widened fenders, we're going to get that out of there. It does need a cab corner on this side. It looks like somebody's bondoed it like 3 different times there, so I'm going to get that, and I had to do a lower door skin, or just get a new door. They sell them. They sell almost every part for this truck. This right here is damaged. That's a $50 piece that I just had to weld in. Forget about it. The fender, I'm looking at it. I don't think that anything bad is wrong with this fender. Let me get around here and see. No, that fender is savable. This hood has good dent there. We can get that out. I mean, it's gonna be a pain. I mean, it's obviously got some rust. It's an old hood. I know where one is, so if I decide not to just fix this edge piece, this is where they all rust. Looks like this truck was like a red color factory. This fender has spots there. For some reason I wanted to think there was another one somewhere. Down here at the bottom, it's got a little bit of an issue there. We could fix that. I don't know if I'm gonna buy new front fenders, honestly. I mean, they're like $300 a piece. Part of me is like, just put new sheet metal everywhere. This piece right here, that's where the bumper goes. These did come with a bumper. I don't think I'm gonna run one in the future, but this, so these will get cut off, and then we'll either use the one we have, probably not, gonna throw it out too. This truck, I know it's like, oh man, you're gonna throw the whole truck away. Why not do body work? Time versus cost. Like, honestly, the parts for these trucks aren't absolutely insane. The grill, that's gonna hang up on the wall somewhere. I think I'm going green with this truck. I think I'm gonna do a metallic type of green, bronze of some sort on the wheels. The windshield has a crack in it, so eventually that'll have to be new, but whatever. I'm thinking about just taking the front end, the back end off, taking the cab up to the kids at the trade school, let them sand it all, and get whatever. Some funny things about this truck. It used to have marker lights. I don't know why they had cab marker lights on this truck. It's really, I guess that was kind of a look back in the day, like people did that. It still has a gas tank in it in the back, but look, there's rust over there. Someone cared about it. They vinyl wrapped this and plated the lower half of the dash. That's coming out. We're gonna run headliner, behind the seat, like system, everything eventually. This is what I call like a 3 to 5 year build. Like, it's my dream truck. I want to do it right. Let's see. That's actually not a rust hole. That's just part of the panel over there. So gotta fix that. That side does need a floorboard, so we'll fix all that at the same time. I'm literally just ready to, it's a very small truck, But God, it's going to be mean with the widened back fenders, widen them 3 inches. I don't know. Here, whatever companies make parts for F100, take my credit card. That's kind of where I'm at. I'm excited, and if you ask me, how can you be so excited about such a crap box? I wanted it my whole life, man. Like, you have to buy things the way you can afford them. This truck fixed up, minimum $35,000. That's about the lowest. I saw one on Marketplace that day for 25, and it was gone in like 2 hours, and it wasn't even fixed up that nice. Like, it was just the bare minimum. So yeah, I haven't named it yet, but like I said, the next 3 years, just a little bit here, a little bit there. We're gonna see what we can do. But the best part I haven't even mentioned. It's got a 302 in it. You know, they said it was running about 8 years ago, and then it was parked. The hoods on these don't open very far, so I feel like they should maybe open further than that. I don't know. It's going to get a hood tilt front. Looks like it's got a good radiator. The motor, I mean, I'm sure it's going to need a carburetor rebuild, but we're going to find out. We're going to see if it'll even start up, but I don't know what it's hitting on, but it's hitting on something. So anyways, still got that big old steering wheel. Man, crap box, just like this one. Those two, no, they're not crap boxes. This one right now is. This one is. I got a couple more, but I think I'm about to sell a couple of vehicles to put money into this truck. That's how much it means to me. So I'm here to tell you that your dreams aren't always going to be beautiful when you start them. But I hope I can do a snap change here in a few years, and this truck is absolutely beautiful. Yeah, I don't know if there's anything else. This side profile of these trucks, man, like Ford only made these trucks for 1 year. 1 year. This was the transition truck between like the 53 to 55, or like 53 to 55, changing over into the body style for the 57. That's why this one has a rounded windshield, which made this thing. I mean, you can't even, they don't build trucks like this anymore. So I'll be making videos, taking parts off. You know, that's how it's going to go. Starting the cab work. You know, over the winter, I hope to have the cab in great condition, you know. So anyways, the Ramcharger is gone. The F100 is here to stay. It's not going anywhere. Something crazy would have to happen to get rid of it one day. Like I said, I didn't have any money in the Ramcharger. I'm starting out with like nothing in this. We traded even. Figure I'll be transparent about that. People go, man, why would you trade a running car for no? We don't know that this one doesn't run yet. Like I said, it's got a 302, it was newer when it was put in, 302 and automatic transmission, and they said that it was fired up and running. So, and based off everything I'm seeing, I think it was. I don't know what happened, and people just didn't have time to put into the body work and everything else. But yeah, this truck, it looks like they used to, I don't know what they would have had there. Maybe an exhaust. I don't know why, but maybe somebody ran it out and up at some point. Maybe they had stacks on it, but also, if anyone can tell me what these holes are for, that'd be greatly appreciated. They almost feel factory. I don't know why they would have been there, but there's, oh, it's another one there. They might have just been plugs or something. I don't know. Somebody knows, put it in the comments below. I'm pretty sure they had it running because they got this little gas tank to run it off of. Shoot, I even got a free beer bottle, something to shoot. Tailgate going up on the wall. I mean, I'm not fixing that. I don't have the time to fix that. So, yes, if anything, if anybody needs any parts, if anybody needs a spare wheel holder or a fender made for that, I'm gonna sell these. It does have an issue down here at the bottom and take somebody 10 minutes with a hammer to fix. This fender is good. I think down here there might be a little rust. So anyways, all right, so that is this episode of Them Barnyard Builds. Just to walk around, kind of get familiar with the truck so we can see what it looked like before and what's going to look like after. I really do want to do this truck right. I want to be very nice paint or super nice patina. You guys know how crazy I am about that. But anyways, smash that like button, hit subscribe. Everybody have a great day, and